Means Woodshop merch is now available. Check the link down in the description. Hey, I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop. This fancy dice tray is perfect for any board game nights with your family or any RPG role-playing tabletop games that you might play. I was inspired to make this project by my viewer Kevin, who sent me some pictures of ones that he made, and so I decided to do it too. And it's actually a very easy project to make, and let's check it out. That should be all the pieces I'm going to need. By setting up a stop block, I could cut the pieces out to be the same length. Now I'll do my usual method of cutting grooves in the bottom. And by shifting my fence over little by little, I can move this till I can get a good 1/4 inch fit. Since this is some of that leftover cherry plywood, a lot of times on this hardwood plywood, there'll be a good side and a bad side. I'm actually going to make the bad side the top of the tray, since I'm going to put some of this adhesive deck felt in there. So the good side will be the bottom. Look, y'all, I can't zoom in on this camera, but there's Adam way out there. What is he doing? He's sitting with Herschel. I bet he's playing some stupid racing game or something. Got a Roman OG bit in my router, and I'm gonna run the box through on its side. I'm not sure, but I think that'll make a kind of a bigger profile. Hashtag water, because it's freaking hot. I cut the top off and rerouted it because routing it on its edge, it chewed up the corners a little bit, and I was gonna try to hide it with sanding, but it just wasn't looking good, so. There's my dice tray. It's all complete.
complete, and I'm really happy with it. I'm glad I went back and redid the profile around the top. I think this would be a great project for you to use some exotic wood on and experiment with some different species. I would like to thank Kevin again for giving me the idea to make this project. He sent me some pictures of one he made. They should be somewhere up here, maybe around my head somewhere. If you liked this video and enjoyed this project, please give it a thumbs up. Supposedly that helps with the YouTube algorithm, the big YouTube algorithm that we all hear about. You can subscribe to this channel. I have 2 videos every week, a project every Friday, and a follow-up to said project with my brother-in-law. And you should click the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Those project follow-ups are pretty funny. If you don't watch those project follow-ups, then shame on you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.